Hey guys, so today I'm about to do a real quick unboxing video, and today I'm actually going to be doing the ULA Hair unboxing video. I've been seeing a lot of people purchasing the ULA Hair wigs or purchasing their bundles and making their own wigs, and so I decided that I wanted to try the hair out for myself. So this video is not in any way, it's not promotion or it's not paid for. I actually just went and purchased this wig because I watched one of the YouTubers that I'm actually subscribed to. She received the wig from ULA and she applied it and it was just beautiful. So I decided I want to try that wig too. One thing that I really wanted to see is that, you know how sometimes when people are sent hair from other companies and they get a better quality than regular people, so like someone who's like big and famous will get hair sent to them from a company and it'll be in like this perfect condition, this perfect packaging, and then everyone else will try to, like, you know, go buy the same hair, use their promo code and all this other good stuff, and then they get hair that isn't the same quality or not in the same packaging. I actually wanted to see about that. But luckily I've never had an experience where I bought hair that a famous YouTuber was using and it wasn't like the same quality or same packaging or anything like that. So I got this hair. I ordered it. I can't remember when I ordered it because I've actually had it for a couple weeks, but I'm probably going to apply it this weekend. Tomorrow, I think. So I got this hair. The shipping was super fast, actually. I know when I ordered it, I probably got it the following week. I think it only took like 4 or 5 business days, probably quicker than that. So I just want to do a little video, show you guys, you know, what you get when you order it. And I can't remember what hair I ordered either, but I know it's like 18 inches, something. So let's get into this video because I'm talking too much and I got somewhere to go. All right, so when I ordered it, this is how it came. It came in like a regular FedEx bag, and then it was in this bag. And this is actually really, really nice. It's really, really soft. I really love this. I'm probably going to keep this bag. That's also the best thing about it. If you get hair or anything you get from any company, if what they come in is reusable, girl. So the hair comes in the, you know, plastic bag, of course. And folded inside is a couple things. So the first thing that's in it are these lashes. And these lashes look great, y'all. And I love the packaging, and I love like this glitter that they have in the background. I think that's really, really pretty. I hope I'm putting this in the right place. But I think that glitter is so pretty. And I do wear lashes. I don't think I've ever worn lashes this thick. I usually go for like a natural look. So I'm excited to see how these 3 lashes will look on me. I'll probably use them this weekend. And then I didn't know when I ordered it, it asks you if you want tinted. I think it says a tinted cap, or I think it says brown. Yeah, it says brown and then it says something else. And I didn't know this is what they were talking about. I thought they were talking about like the lace. Like I thought they were gonna like dye the lace or something like that. Excuse me, but that's not the case. So they sent me this. I don't know if I'm going to use it because it's too dark. So I'm probably going to, I have a couple caps already that are the lighter color. So I'm probably going to use that instead. So that was just my mistake because I just didn't understand what it was they were asking when I selected what I wanted. So the next thing you get in here is this card, and it says instructions. And then it just says ULA hair and 100% human hair. And this is nice. Okay. And in this little packaging, it just has it just has like directions on like how to treat the hair. So like shampoo and conditioning. It also has this little section here where they have recommended shampoos, recommended conditioners and stuff like that. How to style it, what you can use to style it, and then they also have directions on how to measure hair and what you can use to color the hair as well. This is really nice. So this is what it looks like on the inside. So here you have the directions for shampoo and conditioning. These are like the recommendations, and then these are like tools and stuff on like that you can use to style it. So you got your flat iron, you got what you can use to color it, and then at the bottom it just tells you how you can measure it. And then on the back it has do's and don'ts, and it says how to like relieve itchiness. Okay, and then on the back it just has virgin hair, 100% human hair. So that comes in there. And then the next item that comes in it, other than the hair, is this card that says, "Love you gorgeous, love ULA Hair." And this is cute, y'all. I'm sorry, this is so cute. And then on the inside, it just has like some promo information for like if you order the hair and you do want to promote the company, then it just has like, you know, where you can like link them and like at them and stuff like that. And then like, you know, just appreciation for purchasing their items. And then on the back it has the, I'm gonna cover these QR codes up. On the back it has the little QR codes for the Facebook and the Instagram. And also it just says a lot about the refund policy, and then remark value, I guess, for the remark value for the refund policy. That's in there. Now, the moment we've been waiting for. Oh crap. All right, so now you have the hair, and it's in this little net, so I'm gonna take it out. And let me say now that when I watched the video of, I can't think of who the girl is on my YouTube that I am subscribed to, who I saw first apply the hair. But when she put her wig on, y'all, like it was, you know, she said it was pre-plucked. She did not pluck the edges. She did not pluck her part or do anything like that. She just, I want to say she did wash the hair and all that other stuff and like straightened it, but she didn't have to do no extra work to it. So we're gonna see if this looks pre-plucked, and then after the fact, I gotta apply this wig and everything else too. So that's really gonna tell you if it's like pre-plucked correctly, or, well, I'm not gonna say correctly because everybody's different. So this is the wig, and I haven't done anything to it. Like, this is fresh out the packaging. Like I told y'all, I did look at this before, but I did not do anything to it. And this is 250 density. And also the girl, the YouTuber whose video I watched, she had the same, I actually got the same exact wig that she got. So yes, 250. And once I post this video, if I can find the link where I got this hair from, I'm gonna put it in the description box. So I'm gonna show you guys this part, if you can see it. It actually doesn't look that bad. I wish I had a mannequin head. This is only my second wig, and my first wig I reuse a lot because it's from, I think it's Unice or Unice Hair, and it's still in really good condition. I've only had it for like 9 months though. So I don't use a mannequin head. I use a wig stand, and that's how I like blow dry my hair and all the other stuff. When it comes down to customizing it and everything, I just put it on my head and go from there. But it's definitely, I can't get this right. It definitely looks pre-plucked. I'm trying to like put my hand over. I think the lace looks pretty good. I think this part looks great actually. And I wonder if it's like that throughout or if it's just this one part. Okay. Let me see if I can get this on my hand. So it really does look, so I just parted it in like a random spot. And if y'all can see that, I don't know, it needs a little bit of, it would need a little bit of work. Like if I wanted to make this a middle part, I think that it would need a little bit of work, maybe, but not for real, like not a lot, because I'm pretty sure this is a side part. Most of the wigs I get have been, I don't know why, but they be side parts. And I don't know, this might be a middle part already. I can't tell if this is the middle or the, see, this is why I need a mannequin and stop playing. Okay, so let's look at the inside. So if you look at the inside, you have your front clip and your 2 side clips are in there. Lord, please let me be showing y'all the right side. And then you got your, how many clips you got in the back? It's got one clip right here in the back. This is the very back. And then you got this band that I'm going to love, because that's going to make sure she stay on all day. And the band is like, I don't know, it's like a bra strap. So you have these little pieces and you just clip it on right there. And yeah, so that's pretty much it with the wig. Like, it looks like it is exactly what they say it is, and it looks exactly like what I have been seeing from you know, YouTube videos. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here and do a little unboxing video. This is like different content because I've never done this before. So hopefully this helps somebody. And like really good like quality. Like, y'all, this hair feels amazing. I haven't done nothing to this hair. I ain't done nothing to this hair but taking it out the freaking plastic, y'all. Look at her. And she thick. I'm so excited. So anyway, thank y'all for watching this video. I really hope this helps somebody. Like I said, anybody that wanted to know when you order the hair, do you get what you think you're gonna get, or are you gonna get something else that's not gonna be what homegirl got on YouTube that had 500 whatever K followers? So I'm just letting y'all know right now, when you order this hair, you get exactly what it is you're expecting. And this quality, this density and everything is amazing. Like, this hair feels amazing. It's so soft. So definitely try out ULA Hair if you need to, you know, stock up on a new wig, have you a nice little hot girl summer, hot quarantine summer, whatever it is you doing right now. If you want to be cute in the house, or you want to go out here and risk your life with everybody else, get you a ULA Hair wig. So thank you guys for watching. Everybody have a wonderful day. Please stay safe. And I'll see you in the next video.